Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Family and Kitchen today. Today we're gonna cook curried prawns cooked down with coconut milk. So we have one large white onion where we have cut up. We have 4 cloves of garlic. We have some chopped ginger. We have 2 stalk of spring onion where we picked from the garden outside. We have half of red, half of yellow, half of orange, bell pepper. We have some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, curry powder, and the coconut milk. And we have 30 large king prawns right here, what we're going to use. And we have 3 cups of rice. So guys, what we're going to do now is season up the king prawns. We're going to put half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. We don't want to use too much seasoning in this, just half a teaspoon. A little pinch of black pepper. A little touch of black pepper because black pepper is very strong. A little pinch of salt. Less than quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Just a little pinch. Just going to give it just a little stir, just mix it up like that. So you want to get all of that all-purpose, all of that black pepper, all of that salt in it. So this is seasoned up and this is ready to go. So guys, my seasoning been burning off for around a minute. So now we're gonna put in the curry powder. I'm gonna put in 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder. So that is 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder. So I want my curry powder to burn off. Give it a stir. Burn it off like that. So that beautiful curry color there. So guys, my curry been burning off for around less than a minute. So now we're just going to drop in 30 large king prawn. Just give that a nice stir. You can see all that flavor coming out of that ginger, that spring onion, that garlic. So people, look at that, beautiful. So guys, if you don't subscribe to my YouTube cook show as yet, please do, and please share and like and make a comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Selvin Robinson Family YouTube cook show. Beautiful people, beautiful. So guys, I'm just gonna put in a little touch of salt, not too much, just a little touch of salt in it. It's a little touch already, but just put a little touch more in it. And just give it a nice little stir. So guys, I just put on my rice there. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt in it. Put a little bit of salt right there. And so that is my white rice, what I'm cooking. And then just gonna add a little piece of butter in it as well. So just gonna add a piece of butter. Just give it a stir. So you want to get all of that butter. Everything is mixed up right out in it. So that is my white rice. So guys, this is my king prawns. It's all ready for the coconut milk to go in now. So I'm gonna put in a whole cans of coconut milk, a whole tin. I'm gonna put in everything. So this one ain't gonna have no water to it. Give that a nice stir. So this is curried prawns we cooked them with coconut milk. So 1 tin of coconut milk, 1 large chopped onion, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 piece of ginger, half of red bell pepper, half of yellow, half of orange, 2 stalks of spring onion, half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a pinch of black pepper. Look at that, people. That is beautiful. Guys, we're just gonna check my cream fries. Oh, it's coming on. Oh, coming on nicely. Yeah, so that thickness that I want in it. The bread cook right down. That's beautiful. This is curried prawns cooked on with coconut milk. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube page. Please hit that notification button so when I post another video, you guys will get it. And please tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. So guys, we finish and we're gonna eat. So Marissa is there eating. How is it, Marissa?
Yeah, but
it's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, nice and shelly, isn't it?
But this one is hard.
Yeah, nice and shelly. Guys, this is the curried prawns. We cooked on coconut milk. So please subscribe to my YouTube page and please share and like and make a comment. Parsley, I grow in my garden. I'm gonna make another video, show you guys what's going on in the garden. Marissa, you want to say hi to my YouTube friends?
Hi. Hi.
Then we have the blackberry, ginger, blackberry from my garden. So everything is natural.
There was
Cheers.
Cheers.
Guys, you want to taste this? Yummy. Curried prawns, guys. We cook them with coconut milk. Try it. 1 tin of coconut milk, 1 chopped onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, half yellow bell pepper, half orange bell pepper, half red bell pepper, half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a little touch of black pepper, soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Beautiful.
I like cucumber.
You like cucumber? Beautiful, Marissa. Yum yum.
Cucumber is my
Please
favorite.
subscribe guys, and my next video is coming out soon. So please tell a friend, please subscribe, and please keep safe. So, yes people, we are back. We're nearly finished. And we're eating
Cucumber cheese.
cucumber cheese. Lovely people, lovely. Beautiful.
When you do
Beautiful.
when you do cucumber, you do it together. You say cucumber cheers.
Alright, we'll do one more cucumber cheers again.
No, I don't have one.
Yeah, I have one of my own. Alright, cucumber cheers. Daddy nearly finished.
One more cucumber cheers.
So my YouTube fan, to see you guys in the next video. And take care of yourself. And please
Safe. Keep safe.